Slap Daddy.
Slap Daddy.
Heck yeah, guys. Good morning, good morning.
As you can tell, we are not early birds.
It is
4 o'clock in the morning.
and it's still dark in here. Don't know why we don't have the lights on, but we don't. But we are going out fishing. But back at you with another Lure Buddies video, hopefully getting out more. A lot of exciting stuff. We're going to do a little small time series on the walleye run coming up. That's me.
Walleye!
And that's
you know
another...
what? Gary Yadamoto got nothing on me. I'm a walleye slayer. You guys haven't seen me catch a walleye yet. That's a lie. You have. But you haven't seen me catch the big mamas. Slap daddies. You'll see what I mean by that in the video. Because there's the weed bed. So that means you want to be right above that weed bed. So
Okay.
take this and put this down.
What's up, guys? This is the second one we're putting out. Already got one out already.
I feel like $2 right now.
Why do you feel like $2?
We got up here, it's probably about 5 o'clock, and well, we ended up sleeping in.
Ooh, there's a good guy right there.
Hey, that thing's a monster, dude.
We got big shiners we're throwing out here.
If we ever get hungry, we just eat the
He's dead,
shiners.
but it's gonna work.
Got any words?
We're fishing, what can I say? Enjoying this weather. Oh, there goes that one too.
There's a tip up. There's a tip up. And I don't even want to zoom in on that because it's just
That little 4-incher though, that
tip ups all day long. What you got there?
A little punker. See there? They get twice as big there. No, just got a little baby here. Alright. There you go. Little guy. But still a guy anyway. 10. Yee yee! Yee yee!
First fish of the day. Woo! Hit it. Well, there's two guys. About 7.5, about 8. Seems a little too small. It's pretty big, but I'm gonna throw it back.
No, it's not, Johnson. Why is
It flopped off there. Started having a seizure.
You explain to me why it's over there.
3. No one else is getting nothing, but I am, I guess so. That's right. He's having twitches. I'm throwing back.
Do you not see it spinning? Okay, so you've never done this before, have you? Grab the line, like this, and then set it. Set it. There you go. He's on there. What the f? Is he still on there? Holy hell.
Dude, he was that thing was taking it for a while too.
Yeah. You must not have had it good enough. Actually, that's a lie. You only caught.
Yee!
Shut the. Are you serious?
I guess who's eating good tonight?
Brady, you haven't even kept any yet.
No, I didn't. Draylon's got one on the board.
Yay!
All right, got another one, guys, right here. Look at that. Sunfish. Yeah, 5 on the board, but I'm not keeping any. These are all pretty small though. One decent one so far, but
You want to change colors?
I don't think it's the color.
You never know.
What color is yours, Brady?
that's a secret. Here we go. Perch.
Oh, it's a holy shit. That's a nice one. That's a
It's a perch. I know it felt different. I was like,
Probably the one I lost.
I mean, this considers as a small walleye. Same family. Well, he popped off quick.
Is it a nice one?
Yeah, and it's a small bluegill again. Well, that's all right. And go back down there. Ah, yes. The engine is made of engine. GoPro, stop recording. Doubles! We just switched holes because he wasn't catching anything, so. I got 7 on the board.
I got 3.
3? You got 2.
Nice, beautiful one. Almost a keeper.
Almost, yeah. That's a nice size. That's probably about another 7.5 or.
He had a bite. He didn't even know.
Oh no, they're hitting today.
You gonna go take my hole?
I give up.
Sit down and watch the poop. Should be fishing still.
Seth, I'm pulling them out of your holes. That's 8.
What?
You might want to get back down.
Alright, but the train's gone. That'll go.
See you later, Jimmy.
That's why they're biting so finicky. They're comfy.
That's a small one. Maybe that's what I'm seeing on top. Shining.
Not that small.
Look at that. He's got one.
That just gave me 2 points and I caught. It's like, I'm at 4.
4 points, yep. Slap Daddy.
Slap daddy.
That's gonna be a new thing, I guess.
Yeah, here we are with the bluegill. It's a little early yet, so the small ones are up to play. Just wait till the big ones come up. Good luck. I had to work him in hard.
It's like 2 inches. Oh, ooh. Oh, I got one.
Doubles, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Pumpkin. That's a pumpkin seed. That thing looks like a tiger fish right there.
Got the double. Got the double.
Whoa.
Oh.
Ooh. It's even smaller than yours. I'm at 10 points. He's at 8. Let's keep it flowing, boys. Another one.
Little guys, anyway. Wait till the schools, the big ones come in. Another gill.
Oh, jeez.
Another nice gill. Just a beaut here. And the good old Marion, Wisconsin, getting the prince of darkness here.
What?
Well, I don't know. It made sense, okay? Just gotta think about it. He was barely hooked, too.
This is the first time I'm not catching one right after you. Ooh. He's a fatty.
Excuse my language. He was barely hooked too.
This wheeze, you can see this, guys. You gotta be careful. He got wrapped up in it, and you can lose him quick. Oh, he's barely hooked.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Guys, I can't believe this. I actually just turned off the camera. I was gonna switch to my main camera. And we just got another flag.
Another one just went up right.
Another one? Oh my God. I have him. He's got another one. I have him. It's a northern. Well, it kind of feels like a bass. Okay, maybe not a 40-incher, but it's big. Oh! 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 Was that on a dud? Doubles! 2 pike, man! Out here in Lure Buddies, catching monsters. Splendid, beautiful fish.
Look at that.
This will be dinner for tonight.
We had 3 flags off in the last 2 minutes.
We're running back and forth. We just moved spots for jigging, and then the flags are popping everywhere.
That's
I just switched up jigs, and yeah, I got.
doubles.
That's a nicer one right here.
What? Oh.
That thing was cranking on yours.
Yeah, it was.
That's a nice hand gill right there.
Keeper?
Nah,
Almost.
I'm only gonna keep the mega ones.
Mega evolution.
This would be a normal keeper for me usually, but I'm gonna keep the mega ones. We got enough bluegills in the freezer. See you later, bud. Woohoo! Yeah. You just gotta swim down. Just swim down. Oh, he's good. Oh, I think he's got one.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, we're hammering them out here today. Guys, our stuff's over there. We moved over here for a bit.
Well, I just lost like a 12-inch crappie. No joke. It was huge. It was like, can't believe it. But what can you do? Can't get them all. Stop spinning. Go on. Stop spinning. It's off the side. Come this way. Come this way. Grab it. It's off the side.
Oh, it's still on there.
He is. Yeah, he is.
He's got it. He's got it.
Got him?
Got him.
Got him.
Got him.
Yes. You recording right now?
Yep. It's light.
It's light like a bass, probably.
It's not taking it. It's on there. Oh, there. Now it's fighting back.
There you go, birdie.
Oh, damn. I don't want to lose it. Holy God. Holy crap. How far was it out?
I didn't notice the flag up really. He must have been really running.
I just readjusted this one deeper.
Mine are all shallow. Is he on there?
Yeah.
It must be something little. Maybe it's that crap. Maybe it's another crappie.
Oh, he got off at the end.
Bro.
I felt him get off. God, tip ups all day. He dropped it? What do you have me run over here for then?
Well, you never know. You have some milk on there, and you that's right, that's the crap.
Heck yeah, guys. Making some bacon. Bacon and eggs for lunch.
Hello. Bacon is good.
Fun.
Down for a little while, but it's good enough. All the flags went down. We're marking this actually. You got cameras.
Huh? Just got done with the bacon. Working on the scrambled eggs. Flag went up. Don't know if there's anything on it, but it's doing a pretty good day so far. Lunch is almost ready. Got some fish down on the ground. Let's see what he's got. I don't think he's got nothing. No, he came off. Okay. Well, back to where I was. Oh my god. I can't. Is it spinning? Another one. Another one.
Maybe. No.
Hit him.
No, he's not on there.
I don't think I can do this no more. We're going back in these holes again, you know. We both said that we're gonna go watch the tip-ups, but we're still watching them. It's alright though. I threw a couple of slabs on there and nothing too much. We're gonna try to get our limited bluegill now. We'll keep a whole bunch of them. Clean them all up tonight. We're staying all day. We came out here about 5 o'clock. Staying out until like 11:30 at night, 12 o'clock maybe. It'll be pretty fun. Soon I'm gonna have to go run over to the store and get some dinner, or lunch and then dinner. So that'll be one thing. Alright, see you next time. It's these little tiny little guys, but you know what? It's kind of fun catching sunfish through the ice.
They don't like this color.
Whoop.
I think it's to the side. So you check it and. Is he to the side? Yeah, he's to the side. Anything? Nope, dropped it. Alright.
Guys, they're hitting again, 3 in a row. We just got done with lunch. Oh boy. He's on there? Huh? Okay. Dang, three tip-ups in a row. Hopefully 2 wins. We just got done with lunch. Damn.
Oh, barely hooked. Keep this one too?
Yep.
Get him out of here.
I want to rack them up.
I'm almost at my limit, so
Yep.
I only need 2 more.
Heck yeah.
I just got a double bag.
Look at that. Show the camera.
What's up, honey? That's just a slab, Daddy.
What's his name?
For pickling. Pickle Joe.
Pickle Joe?
Pickle Joe.
Heck yeah. Guys, got a couple little slabs, but good for a meal. I had 1 tip up, nothing on it though. Caught a few dinks, nothing much going on. Just chilling here and fishing. Don't know how the rest of the day's gonna go. Hopefully more tip ups, that's what I'm hoping for. They're still biting, but you know. That's Draven for you. Draven's got one. Here we go, boys.
Oh my God.
Another northern. That's a nice slap daddy over there.
Look at that gill I caught too.
Heck yeah. Hold it up. Oh, or drop it.
Ouch. You keeping this one too or what?
Yeah. Guys, getting slow. Checking tip ups. One was full of weeds. One said no middle on there anymore for some reason. Not sure what to think. Adjusting a little bit, not sure. Okay guys, well I got a low battery right now. It might be a little foggy because the screen's a little bit, but that's alright. Cooking some bacon for our burgers. Body heater. It's hard to see, but there's Draven. It's not too hard to see. It's just my camera's gonna die, and then it's just hazy. Oh, hear that bacon sizzling?
I got another bacon. I got my other GoPro.
I think it's just the battery. It was fine earlier. Oh, it's going right now, guys. So, well, this is what's going. Bacon and
The day before
cooking
New
burgers.
Year's Eve. The day before New Year's Eve.
Yep.
Having a good old Lure Buddies family reunion.
Lately, for now, I'm gonna be filming on the GoPro for up close videos, and for nicer shots, I'll do my big camera. I got my lens. I think it got stolen, so.
Yeah, he got his gun stolen.
Yeah. It was in a backpack and I left it outside. I was kind of my phone. I was duck hunting, so. Hey guys, what's up? We are back making the burgers now. Look at that juiciness. Like cook good on one side, flip it in the other side. We're good. How you doing, Draven?
Getting her done.
Yeah, getting a little smoky in here. You gotta open up the windows. It's good though. I ain't doing this outside. That sucks. Well, our meal's just about done. He's got one more burger left. I'm on my next burger. Let me wipe out this screen here. Look at that. It's good old classic burger with cheese and bacon. You having fun over there?
Yeah, I'm scrambling my egg. Actually, this actually is how you can scramble your egg.
Oh yeah, boys. So much fun being out here.
We're enjoying the weather.
I love it.